Hey mate, it's me, Adelaide the Fairy. Hiya! Take that and that! I'm going to tell you a little secret. I'm the only one who knows everybody in this Power People movie, see? I know the superheroes, I know the supervillains, I even know the ending. So whenever you get confused about anything Power People related, I want you to come to me. The Power People story takes place on another planet, a really, really small planet, which is governed by a mayor elected every 5 years. The current mayor is a superhero named Super Sapphire. He's the leader of the Power People. If you missed episode 4, then you missed the introduction of all the supervillains that are discussing running their own candidate against Super Sapphire. Basically, half the crowd want Doc Brock to run, and half want the cow.
Yeah, he's the Superman. He should run the government.
Look at that guy.
I prefer a cow to a man any day.
She is really cute, even though she's so evil. Let's go back now to Brock's mansion, where the debate is in full swing.
Over at the Frogthropus mansion, all the world's worst criminals are deciding who they want to run for mayor.
Clearly, I should be the candidate. They worship me in India.
The cow makes sense, so I would vote for a cow.
I say, it's pure speciesism that only human candidates are being discussed. What about one of us vampires? We're unliving symbols of the underworld.
No, you'd have to kiss babies in the sun. Pass.
Don't you wish you were the mayor? I wish I was.
Allow this humble servant to be your candidate.
Yeah.
My oratory skills have been famous for centuries.
You mean famous for sucking?
It's my job to win all the politicians. I think Dog Frog is the best choice. Yeah. Frog around the clock.
Who else could have called this meeting? The doctor's a born leader.
Oh, pish posh.
He's a leader, he's accomplished, he's handsome. He's the perfect candidate.
Oh, my dear, you are too kind.
Oh, I'd love it if Froggy were the mayor.
So it's decided. Dog Frog for mayor.
Those guys think they're such big shots. I'd show them that they're just a bunch of chumps. They're treating me like an old rag over here. I ain't gonna stand for it. I'm gonna start cracking skulls. Don't you mean cow is the candidate?
What? No, I said frog.
Fine, enjoy.
Oh, not again.
Can't kill death.
No, but I can't kill you. And you, and you, and you, and you, unless you choose me to run as your man. Oh yeah? You only have to visit me. I have to live with me. Show some compassion. Oh no, you don't. I do not want that crazy cow.
Please calm down. A place for you in my cabinet.
Cabinet?
In fact, let's shake on it. Right now. You got me. It's getting...
Why in the hell did you do that? He was threatening to lock me in the cabinet. It was self-defense.
Get him to my operating table. Maybe I can still save his life. Make the incision, then reach in and... Whoa! Whoa! Bullet? Maybe if I reach a little further in...
Believe it or not, this lunatic was successful in patching up his evil friend. Within minutes, Doc Brock was back on his feet and pretty angry.
Oh, hi, Froggy. We were just talking about... Ouch!
wins this fight? Run for mayor.
Fight now! Fight now! Don't
Honey,
people!
beat the mean cowman.
Murder him. Where is he? Bring him.
How much does gunplay?
Cow wins! Cow wins!
How the hell is it? I'm running for mayor anyway.
That's marvelous.
It's the man with the master plan. 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 I'm here to turn it out with the mic in my hand.
He raises a valid point. Why do you hate democracy?